Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0110 pertains to an issue within the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1 circuit on the Honda CR-V models from 2023 and later. This error arises when the output voltage from the IAT sensor does not fall within the specified range, leading the powertrain control module, PCM, to record a fault. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the engine control unit has detected an abnormality in the functioning of the intake air temperature sensor. By sensing the air temperature entering the engine, the IAT contributes to the calculation of the engine's air-fuel mixture for optimal performance. Such errors can affect fuel efficiency, emissions, and overall engine responsiveness. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to ensure the vehicle runs smoothly and complies with emissions regulations. The IAT Sensor 1 plays a pivotal role in monitoring the temperature of the air entering the engine's combustion chamber. Located in the intake manifold, this sensor communicates with the PCM to optimize fuel injection and ignition timing based on the temperature of the incoming air. A malfunction in the IAT sensor can lead to incorrect air-fuel mixture calculations, affecting engine performance and efficiency. The PCM interprets the sensor's output voltage. If it deviates from the expected range, it triggers DTC P0110-1C. Understanding the role and location of the IAT sensor is vital to diagnosing related issues effectively. Proper functioning of this component helps maintain engine performance, fuel economy, and emission levels. Several conditions could lead to the activation of DTC P0110-1C. A faulty IAT sensor might be the primary cause if its output voltage is consistently below the required threshold. Open circuit issues, such as disconnected or damaged wiring, can also cause the PCM not to receive accurate sensor readings. Additionally, a shorted wire in the circuit connecting the IAT sensor to the PCM could falsely signal low voltage levels. The PCM itself can malfunction, leading to improper readings from the sensor. Identifying the specific cause of the error requires a systematic approach to troubleshooting the sensor and its associated wiring and connections. Various symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC P0110-1C within the Honda CR-V. The most common observable symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an underlying issue. Drivers might also experience decreased fuel economy, as incorrect air-fuel mixtures can lead to engine inefficiency. Furthermore, drivers may notice rough engine performance or hesitation during acceleration, revealing that the engine is not receiving optimal data for operating conditions. Identifying and rectifying the root cause of the IAT circuit issue can help alleviate these symptoms and restore proper vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0110-1C involves turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows for the proper initialization of the onboard computer systems. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, inspect the voltage readout for the IAT Sensor 1. Under normal conditions, the voltage should exceed 0.35 volts. If it displays a value lower than this threshold, it suggests that there is a malfunction within the sensor or its circuit. It is critical to input these readings into your diagnostic report for further analysis. Each of these voltage readings provides insight into the sensor's operational status and is essential for determining the next steps in the troubleshooting process. In this step, disconnect the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 connector to examine its condition closely. Checking for any signs of damage or corrosion is crucial, as these can lead to poor connectivity and faulty readings. Next, look for shorted wires in the circuit, which could cause erroneous voltage levels detected by the PCM. Use appropriate diagnostic tools to measure resistance. A reading of more than 1 mO indicates normal conditions. If the wiring is compromised or shorted to ground, it will need to be repaired or replaced. Document all findings carefully, as this information is vital for subsequent steps of the diagnosis. If previous tests indicate normal functionality for both the IAT sensor and its associated wiring, the focus shifts to the PCM itself. Inspect the PCM for any signs of failure, which would be indicated by recurrent presence of the error codes despite no apparent wiring or sensor issues. The PCM is the vehicle's central computer that manages engine functions based on input from various sensors, including the IAT. If it is identified as the faulty component, it may require either repair or replacement, which is a meticulous task. Keep meticulous records regarding any repairs or replacements, as these data aid in ensuring proper vehicle functionality post-maintenance. Once any necessary repairs have been completed, it is essential to verify the effectiveness of those repairs before returning the vehicle to the customer. Begin this final verification by clearing the diagnostic trouble code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After clearing the DTC, take the vehicle for a test drive under various driving conditions to ensure that the issue does not reoccur. While driving, monitor the IAT sensor readings to confirm they now fall within the designated range. If the check engine light remains off and there are no related symptoms, the repair process can be deemed successful. Implementing preventive maintenance is key to reducing the likelihood of issues like DTC P0110-1C. Regular inspections of the intake air temperature sensor can identify potential problems before they escalate into failures. Clean all electrical connectors carefully to prevent corrosion that can hinder connectivity, which is critical for sensor performance. Additionally, ensure that the associated wiring remains undamaged and securely connected, as loose or frayed wires can lead to intermittent issues. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule will further reduce the risk of sensor and circuit problems, ensuring optimal performance over the vehicle's lifespan. In summary, understanding DTC P0110-1C is crucial for anyone engaged with the Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. Recognizing the role of the IAT sensor, the possible causes, and the symptoms can significantly alleviate the troubleshooting process. Timely and methodical troubleshooting of each step, from checking sensor output to inspecting wiring, is critical in effectively resolving this DTC. Implementing preventive measures can help maintain the sensor's operational integrity, ultimately enhancing vehicle performance and reliability. Always ensure that any diagnosed problems are rectified, verified, and documented for future reference. Such thoroughness will safeguard against recurring issues and improve overall vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!